Good morning. It's my birthday today at mag-i-SM kami to celebrate it. Yan. We are going to eat here. Kinta.
Hi.
And this is our 9 of 12. 9 of 12. At bago tayo kumain, tayo ay pupunta muna ng EO, magpapagawa na ng salamin. Okay ba yan?
You're going to pick the glasses for me?
Huh?
You're going to pick the glasses for me?
No, for mommy.
Can I choose? I think her favorite color
Baka masira mo ha.
this one.
Shades yan eh. Shades yan.
What about this green one? She likes green. Her favorite color.
Shades yan, hindi yan salamin. Shades. Yan, sira na natin yan.
Yes, Daddy, can you pick? Daddy, go pick. I think you should pick the honey one.
Yeah.
Yan ang aming salamin-salamin.
Green. Gabi, where are you?
Cambio.
Hindi ka naman po basta wag yung masyadong malaki para hindi ka mahirapan.
Malabo na ang mata.
Okay ba?
Para kasi Kitty, yung ano ni chef. Kaibigan ni chef.
Ito maganda oh.
Ah, shucks, palipis tayo ng palipis. Parang sa'yo to eh.
Ayaw mo naman ito. Parang mas bagay sa face niya. Like square. Round frame pa.
Yan na, hanap naman yung anak ko, yung bunso ko ng sandals.
Purple. Let me see the sign.
They pick me regularly.
Hanap si Kinta na pang samba. Purple?
Hindi ko ano sa'yo. Raise your feet. Hawak ka namin, raise your feet.
Hindi, iba kasi yan eh. Rubber shoes yan. Iba sukat yan.
Small.
Dapat ba rin may sapatos?
Nice one.
Ah, nagbago ka?
Gray daw, gray.
Can you find 6 for me?
Just sit down first. I'm gonna find you.
Ayan na, sukat mo na.
Oh my god, these are heels.
Ka-heels pa. Can you walk with that heels?
Maybe.
Maliit ba? Wait lang.
Oh, you walk na.
Wala kasi sa loob. Halika.
Wow, todo outfit ka, Kinta. Ayan, oh. Sa kabila, leggings. Ikaw ba may birthday, Kinta?
Oh my god. I want jackets.
Complete outfit. Where's the leggings? Ayan, oh, leggings, oh.
Your leggings are...
Mommy, what about
Anong color?
Pink na naman. Kasi yung lang lang. Kasi yung shoes na pink.
Size 6
Ang size yung perfect. Ay, mag-perfect ka na po ka-arte.
Ano daw?
Waiting room pa. Huwag ka na mag-wait. Mamadali na tayo. Pag 10, malabog. Hanggang... Ah, hindi na siya ano. Okay na sir. Ah, okay. 8 lang pala. Huwag ka, hawakan muna.
Alaman muna.
Ate. Tsaka isang blue ate. 8 din ako. Kala? Birthday?
Itel, what's that?
It's a pink
Leggings.
leggings. It matched my pen.
Wala ba malaki ito? For ano ka na lang sa'yo?
See?
O, ito. Square pants, taray.
Lunchtime.
Regular, premium, flavor, pasta. Gusto ko nung ano, carbonara. 5 po. Ang dami pa na.
Indonesian.
Oh, that's the garlic. Okay. Then I put here a richer flour.
Loba. Lasa. Baby no money.
Lunchtime. Yes. Unlimited kami ngayon. Si Koy ang nag-suggest.
Sabi niyo want kanin?
Si Mami sulit.
Sa'yo to eh. Wait kanin. Baka gusto mo.
Sarap. Soy garlic. Ay, sweet soy chicken. Sarap. Ito, kain na.
So good.
Ah.
Spot.